Got our supervisors in the field, checking, making sure everything got done. All right, guys. We have to get that tractor to that mower hooked up so we can start cutting hay. And got to clean up everything else. So I just got to the hayfield where the tractor was parked. I figured I'll be mowing and everything after t-ball practice or the t-ball game. Come find out I'm not. The old man is out there mowing. Take a look at this, folks. Turn y'all around. Zoom in here for y'all. That's at times 12. Back out. Right, back all the way out. Alrighty. So we got to cut, I don't know how good it will show up, all of that. We got all that to cut. So this is probably gonna be a two-part one. This is part one. But while he's doing that, let me go show y'all what we did get mowed today. Alrighty, guys. That fence row going all the way up there, well, that's the field that my dad is in, and it goes all the way past them trees. And then in the front field is our pasture that we're going to cut for hay. So we still got all that to cut. Don't worry, chickens. But we cut this little lot right here. I want to say it's an acre to an acre and a half. It's part of our like feedlot holding pen, but that's that new fence we put up, guys. That's why we were able to cut it for hay. And then we are going to head back into the very back, and I'll show you what we did back there. Alrighty, this is the back half. It's actually our back pasture. It actually goes on around to them trees. There's probably riding all together here, probably 3/4, maybe an acre worth of hay. Not that much, but I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know how well it comes up on camera. That is some good hay, and it's nothing fancy. This is just, well, this is a pasture, but anything is better than a snowball, is what a farmer once told me. So the cows will eat it and everything, and you know, deal. See that tall grass right up in there? Try to zoom in for y'all. Right up there on that list, that is the hay field that my dad is currently mowing in. We got to build a fence up there. God, that is an update. Turn y'all back around. Actually, I'll give y'all a view. Yeah, I'm in the car right now. That's all going to be all for day one. Tomorrow, day two, I'm going to get some more footage of us cutting hay, and it should be a good one. So guys, see you tomorrow. Guys, this is unexpected. There was supposed to be a 9% chance of rain today. So that's why we started cutting hay the other day. Well, 9% chance, as y'all can see, is 100% chance to rain now. So, that being said, we are done cutting hay. We're done. We will not take. Also, the weather got changed from being about 5 to 9% chance of rain to now they're calling for 50 to 70% chance of rain. It always happens like this, right when we start cutting hay. So, but it had to be cut. But, God, if you like this type of video, watch one of my other videos. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the DKM Farm family. I love to have y'all. Until then, see you soon.